¿Cómo están? ¿Me escuchan? Hoy tengo problemas con la cámara. ¿Y qué? Y entonces esta cámara no funciona hoy. Vengo con... De hecho, es muy raro. Y para colmo la actualicé y quedó peor. Y creo que puede ser un problema del cable. Por eso por acá tengo unos cables para probar. Más tarde quizás. Este cable es 3.0. No sé, voy a buscar un cable más poderoso. De hecho, me di cuenta que el cable que tiene ahorita la cámara no es el cable oficial que trajo el gato, sino que es el cable de la Logitech. Que igual estaría bien. Pero este no sé, de hecho este no sé qué cable tiene. Lo mejor los cables, creo que los cables están trocados. Y este tiene el cable de la del gato. Pero bueno, creo que esa sería como la última de pronto, esperen. Bueno, no sé si hay forma. Lo que pasa es que ya no quiero desconectar esta cámara porque si no, bailas game over. ¿Cómo está? How is everyone? So, as always, this is going to be Spanglish probably. I don't have too much time today. Probably I will do 2 hours. So, I guess let's start. Yeah, and I'm late, by the way. I'm super late, but it's because I was having this issue with the camera and then other issues, you know. Si saben cómo soy, ¿para qué me invito? Sí, yo creo que igual a mí me va a tocar igual siempre hacer como el Spanglish, porque está todo sucio. Me va a tocar hacer como el Spanglish, pero está bien, está bien. Esa es la vida del desarrollador, el Spanglish. Pero todo bien. ¿Qué chismes les tengo? Chismes. ¿Cómo se dice chismes? Gossips in English, right? What gossips do I have? So the course, the first module, I'm just missing like the edition of the lessons, and that's going to take a while. I guess it will be until the weekend that I will be able to release them. But we are super close to release the courses. That's one thing. I didn't have too much time to prepare for the YouTube video. As I say, it's something that I'm trying to work with, you know, have time. I has been a little bit tired these days, to be honest. But good news, I'm going to start doing exercise. And that's why is that good news? Because it's a commitment, you know, and exercise will help me to be more organized as well, because then I have like these commitments on my week, and of course that requires discipline. Hello Spectre, how are you? So yeah, so that's kind of what is new. What else? Remember, this weekend is Nerdearla. Este fin de semana es Nerdearla. Yo voy a dar una charla ahí. Voy a estar ahí respondiendo sus preguntas. La charla va a estar muy interesante. Muy interesante. Te la recomiendo. Igual creo que va a ser grabada. Pero bueno, es precisamente relacionado al tema como de streaming. Porque la gente debería hacer streaming con el propósito de mejorar sus soft skills como desarrollador. Entonces, para que la tengan en cuenta. Listo. ¿Qué más les puedo contar? I think that's it. So as I say, I don't have too much time today. I have like 2 hours and 50 minutes. Yes, nice. Yes, get ready to the conference. And let's hope I can get, to be present in other conferences. So I think we should, well, what we're going to do today, I guess we are going to do what we do every day, trying to conquer the world, basically. Now we are going to do some retro work, I guess. Let me see. Let's check. Today is going to be slow. I would like to try. Let me try one thing before we start. We can talk a little bit. I'm going to try this wire. So what I can do is just connect this directly. I don't need to do the whole thing, but porque normalmente yo pues los cables los tengo muy organizados, los tengo como por las canaletas y todo eso, pero lo que puedo hacer es como conectar este cable directamente, solo para ver si funciona. No creo, pero creo que es un problema más complicado y me parece muy raro porque empezó a pasar de unos días para acá. So I don't know what happened. Something is broken, very broken. ¿Será el puerto? Puede ser un solo puerto, ¿no? TJ, I want to practice English. Of course, we are practicing English here. We are, you know, speaking Spanglish. So that's my decision right now. No, it's fine. I guess it's fair, right? Give me a second. I mean, yeah, you can just check the desk. How are you, by the way? How is everyone? Ready for the weekend? It's Tuesday, I know, but you know, it's good to be ready since now. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay, almost done. Almost done. Let me see. Maybe this is like this. Okay. Okay. Give me a second. Not ready. That's too bad. Okay, something happened. Shall we try directly? Let me see. Okay, so the camera is not there. Definitely not. Let me see. Okay, definitely the camera is not working. Let me open the app. Damn it, camera. I don't really understand what happened. I mean, it's like not giving me video at all. Like this is like the desktop, you know, this is like the camera software. And as you can notice, it's like doing nothing. I mean, the camera is there. It's supposed that it should be, you know, working. But no. Maybe, I mean, oh, here we go. We have a stuff. I'm not ready either. Oh man, this is very bad. Yeah, it's some like encoding problem, what is super weird because in theory it should be able to show you. Anyway, decrease the quality, maybe that helps. No. F con la cámara, yo no sé, está muy raro. Lo bueno es que pues obviamente no tiene garantía y todas esas cosas, pero I don't understand. I need to do more tests. Okay, so the camera sucks. So today it's going to be without my face. Yeah, because I still can work, of course. I still can show you just like the test. And that will be fine. So let's change the category so we can start like coding and doing stuff. I was thinking about today, those are stuff that they need like more work. So I was thinking about maybe do this task. Like we need to edit the task. And this is something that maybe we can do today. And let me open also the Figma file because unfortunately we don't have like the signs for edition. So let me just change the title here. Productivity app. I don't know, I'm just going to put whatever today, and I'm going to put like code and practice English. I guess that's a good unique selling point, right? UPS, unique Is UPS? Unique selling point. No, USP. An USP. Do you know what is a USP? A USP is like a copy that will help you to sell stuff. Right, and we need to change the category to code to software and game development. Great, that's great. And then yeah, I guess we can do this, and that's great. So are you using M1 Mac? No, Juan, I'm not using that. That's what is strange. And I'm having this issue with the camera in both of my Macs, in the M1 and in the Intel. Right now, when I stream, I use the Intel MacBook, but I having the issue in both you know, MacBooks. So yeah, I don't know. I still need to try more wires. Maybe plug the camera directly into. Oh, by the way, I also can't do that right now. I mean, not directly, but almost directly. Yes, I can. Okay. Oh, damn it. Can you hear me? I guess you can hear me, right? Yeah, you can hear me, but something happened. Let me see. Still it's like not working. Yep, still not working. To me, it has been hard to configure my workflow, Ruby, JS, and being a Python because I'm being used to. Ah, okay. I haven't had any issue to work in the M1 MacBook, to be honest. It's the MacBook from my work. So far, I haven't had any issue, but I guess I'm just lucky, you know, because I know that some software or some apps doesn't really work at all there. So I guess I have been just lucky. Okay, so there is something that we haven't done. Basically, when you click a task, you can like kind of edit it, and this view here is which one? We have an edit view, right? It's kind of this one, right? So let's do something. Let's do something interesting. Let's I think we can like kind of add this stuff for fun. Let's just like do a little bit of front end. Do you feel confident speaking English? Yes, of course. I definitely can. I mean, at my work, I have to speak English. I know that I need to improve it, and that's okay. I know my English is not going to be 100% perfect, like probably never, or doesn't really matter. The most important thing is like you make yourself to understand to others, right? And also I'm doing stuff to improve it every day. So I try to practice. I try to be more conscious about my errors. So it's the only way that you can like improve your English. Just like speaking, writing, reading, and everything. It has been a really bad month for me. Hi Nacho, how are you? Well, really few bad months for me because my mother has been here for almost 6 months, and of course with her I watch movies in Spanish, and usually the way that I keep like my practice at home is watching movies in English. And now yeah, so when my mother leaves, I will continue watching my movies in English, because even though now when I watch movies alone, I started to put them in Spanish again. Yeah, again. Probably no, it depends. Like I really like to watch movies in their original language, so at least subtitles in Spanish. I might turn those on, or if I'm very tired and I don't want to think, I just will watch the whole thing in Spanish maybe. But usually I'm great, Nacho. Thanks for asking. Usually just problem with the camera, so I can't use like this camera because it's like not working today. Oh yeah, I mean you can see that it's quite working, but not at all. Damn it, camera. But yeah, so yeah, that's basically it. Like let's try just to watch movies in English with English titles. That will help a lot. Okay, so I'm just going to move this to the side. You're not going to see it, but I have it here to my right, as you can see. And let me remember which view is that. I guess this is common and components, maybe. No, definitely not. Task. Yeah, this is a task, of course. If I have the container, it's task. Great. And if we go here, this has edit task model. Okay, great. So this one, I guess it would be nice if we just like finish like is editable, and for that we need like a new component. I guess this is kind of my idea. So we need some kind of this is really complex because we don't have the design, but basically my idea is like you can click this and this is going to be editable. It's something similar like, you know, this prop, how to edit web pages console command. I totally forget. How is it? Google Chrome. I just Google that like that. So no, there is like a command. Do you know the command that you can like just edit, like everything is editable? Like make what? Okay, no. You see? Yeah. Make everything editable. Dev tools. Let me see. Yes, this one. So okay, so if you go and you do this, I don't know if you know this trick. So you can open like a terminal, right? And you can go to the console, any page. You can do it in any page, and you do this, final run, and then you can edit. So I want to implement that. Of course, I don't want this. It's for real. It's like any website. Like, you know, like you can go to like here, for instance. I guess you can just like go click this, and then you can edit everything probably. Oh, it's like it's no. Oh, maybe because this is not like the console for this. I don't know. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. But you get the idea. So if you do this in any web page, you can like edit you can start like edit everything. It's kind of a design mode or something like that. It's crazy. Okay, so I want like this kind of behavior, but for real. So when you click this, you will get like the, you know, like the way to edit it. But I'm not sure how can I mean, I know that you will have to some kind of create like a transparent input. More or less what we do here, like, oh, we don't have any task here, but when we create like a new task, oh, now this is like awful. Let's go false. Yeah, it's basically our component. So our add button basically is a combination of a button and an input. Yeah, this component here. So we go here, we have this add button component. So, you know, but this is quite different because we need like an input, like always an input. And I wonder if that should be a molecule here, some kind of, you know, like editable test or something. And then yeah, we can like change that, or we can just like somehow, I don't know, the design doesn't like give me any clue that how this should be. Some kind of hint. I mean, it's like, right, we don't have that any hint, like what else can be editable, right? Because you will add notes, and basically notes are something like that, but I guess you want to edit them as well. But the title, and I don't want a modal. I have my suspicions that there should be something that is already, you know, like make a span editable in JavaScript. Let's research first. To make span element editable with JavaScript, we can set contentEditable property of the span to true. Huh, interesting. When I click the button to this, and can we have like on change? That's very interesting. Okay, let me see. So if we go here, so I have the title, right? So let's play a little bit. So if I go to the console and you go like $0, I get that one. So I can do like content editable true. Let me see. Okay, it works. And then can I listen the changes? Add event. This is pure JavaScript. On change maybe. Or like I don't know, console log. So I need event, right? Event, current, target, value, maybe? I don't know. It makes sense. Okay, no. But can I do maybe K down? K down. No, I guess it's not. It's current target test. Give me a second. K down. Maybe if I click it. Okay, yeah. I think what I have run changes for the inputs, probably, right? And this is K down. What I have run is the output. So test, maybe test content. Right. So I can do this and test content. Yeah. So let's change this. Yeah, look. Of course, I'm what? Yeah, this is working, of course. So I'm getting in real time what we have here. Oh, this is a little bit awful, but it's okay. We can fix that. Nice. My second question is, yeah, I guess. Yeah, that's for sure what we need. Maybe I can do it like on focus, right? Do I have on blur? Does a blur work? Blur, right? Let me see. If I put here, I lost the blur. Yeah, I want to save this when I just click other thing, so it's going to save. Oh, this is nice. Okay, it's not that hard. Okay, so my second question is content editable. Really, can I use something in, you know, that I can use? Content editable. Okay. Content editable attribute, basic support. So method of making any HTML element editable. Nice. Okay. Apparently works for everything. Look that. Even Explorer. I didn't know that was such a mainstream attribute. Caret. Okay. Huh. What is caret? Events. What is events? What is content editable? I mean, I'm now curious. Plain test only. Okay, let's check this property. I didn't know. The content editable global attribute is an enumerated attribute indicated if the element should be editable by the user. If so, the browser modifies its widget to allow editing. Okay, try it. Modal heading. Do we remember the API about this? Give me a second. If we go here and heading, what are the props? Is in line and doesn't have a default value. Okay, but why centered? Maybe it's the contain? Oh, maybe it's my fault. Why do I have this kind of container? Why do I have this container? It's like, really interesting. But why is like, is the modal has the content centered? Modal, what is the modal? Modal, okay. Oh no, I don't know. Does the modal has the? Okay, doesn't matter. So, okay, that's okay. Okay. And it's a property. So I wonder if should I just like make everything, yeah, like maybe what I should do if I go here, what I can create is like this property like content editable, you know, content editable, and then I can pass this to this h1, to the heading, right? That should be valid. Yeah. And of course this is going to be a boolean. I can put this here. Well, it's content editable, I guess. Well, no, because this is kind of a native API. I will prefer to keep the you know, to keep the, does the camera, no, the camera is still bad. I will prefer to have the, hey, how is everything, man? Yeah, I prefer to keep like the native API. So content editable, great. By default, it's going to be false. Right? But then, well, maybe. No, I guess I'm going to change this because this is going to have a different behavior, a totally different behavior. Let's change this. It's going to be, it's editable. Okay, this is going to be the prop, false. And we will have to write a story about this, but that's okay. So if it's editable, what I'm going to do is the following thing. So cons, going to create here an state. So is editable, set is editable. Okay, and I have an issue here, right? Because this is called different, but I can call. I have a similar issue before. Which component have this kind of issue? Let me think. Maybe the check. So we go to the check. No, there is a component that has like a default value. Okay, let's do this search. If I go here to the components library, remember we have that component library, it's another project. So if I go here and I search by use state, because not many use. So here, default is collapse. Okay, but this is kind of the default value. Okay, this is a different thing. Sorry, I wanted to check how I handle this kind of property before. No, this is different. So let's change this. Is content editable, right? So basically I change it. I have this state. It said is content editable, and it's going to be use state, and then the initial value is editable, right? It's a nicer API. So of course I need to include use state. Okay, perfect. Why he doesn't like it? Content editable not defined. Oh, of course it's not defined, right? So yeah, it's basically this prop, right? So you wonder how do you change that property, right? How do I make this editable? So this is my idea. If this is editable, basically what I'm going to do is set this editable. It makes sense? No, it doesn't make sense. I mean, yes or not? No, I lied. I totally lied to you. So what I'm going to do is basically this can be never the initial value, never. This is going to be false. Always is going to start with false. But if it's editable, when I click it, right? When I click it, then it's going to be editable. That's going to be my strategy, right? So, in a second. What do you think? Is a good idea? So yeah, but I wonder how can I mean, I need to like on click. This is going to be weird, but let's try to make it. So basically I'm going to write this on click, and I mean I can use the handler here, my kind of custom handler. Basically if it's editable, then you know, so I can do like this: create click handler, right? And it's going to receive set content is editable and is editable. It's going to receive those two props, and then you know what we are doing? We are creating like this like handlers yes. And then I'm going to create this sport cons handler. Give me a second, please. Just a second. I'm back, sorry. Montejoli. Oh, we practice English. Of course. Do you want to speak Spanish? Yo también puedo hablar español. Pero no, estamos practicando inglés. Wait, where should I put this? Maybe here. I have some pizza with me, but I think it's hot, so I'm going to wait a little bit. But yeah, okay, so let's continue. So I have this create click handler that is going to receive a few things. It's going to receive what was the name? It's going to receive set content editable and is editable. Great. So this handler is going to receive these two attributes and is going to return the event, right? Event, and then oh, and also wait, no, wait, yeah, no, this shouldn't be like that. This should be like this. On click, no, should be. Yeah, I guess this is going to be very different for the, if it's on click. No, I have game out on Spanish learning. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, great. Ready. Where are you from? So I wonder, should I manage this like is editable? Nah, it doesn't make sense. I guess we need it very specific. So if it's editable, right, it's going to make this true. The event doesn't really matter. So if it's editable, when I click it, it's going to be true, and it's going to make everything editable. But then on blur, I need to do more stuff. So sport cons create blur handler. So basically on blur is going to be the following, and now we need the event. So on blur, basically what it's going to do the handler is I guess the only way that you can be on blur is if you are editable. But just in case, let's make it similar, right? So it's going to receive these attributes, and basically on blur, what it's going to do is, okay, if it's editable, make this false, and also we need some kind of, you know, like on blur. Now we need the on blur. Perfect. On blur. So basically we call on blur, and then we pass the event, probably. It's the way that we have it handling this, right? What happened with on button? Yeah, on button we pass the event input. Let me just check. I just want to check how consistent I'm with my API. So here, yeah, we definitely pass just the input, right? The event. So yeah, we will manage, right? On blur. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Okay, great. What else? Yeah, because then on blur I can get the event, and with the event I can just get you know, current target and the value. But I'm worried if this is too much for a item. right? Oh, I don't know. Hey, gracias por esa right. En inglés, right. Los que hablamos Spanglish decimos right. Nunca se acostumbra. ¿Cómo están? Hey, por cierto, by the way, Montelogic, I'm going to speak Spanish for a little bit, just because Moredev, you know, viewers, they also like to practice English with me here. But I'm just going to say a few words in Spanish. Hola, ¿qué más? ¿Cómo estaban? ¿Qué estaban haciendo? Por cierto, hoy tengo la cámara dañada. Esta cámara tengo que, bueno, no la ven porque... Ahí está. Sacó la mano hoy, no está funcionando. Es por eso muestro esta así de ladito. No es que quiera presumir el setup, no. Tampoco. A ver, que comemos bien esto para que se vea lindo el setup al menos. Y por eso pues estamos viendo solo la pantalla ahorita. Aquí hacemos desarrollo web. Yo no sé si Mauricio les habrá contado un poquito sobre mí, pero gracias a todos los que se pasan. Y estamos practicando inglés. Realmente, si bien hablo español, los streaming yo ya los estoy haciendo en Spanglish. Eso quiere decir que es puro español-inglés. Entonces voy a cambiar a inglés. Igual súper bienvenidos. Igual si tienen preguntas las pueden hacer en español y yo les respondo en español, en inglés, como quieran. Simplemente aquí nos la arreglamos. Está bien, está bueno practicar el inglés. ¿Ok? So, what am I doing? So basically, I want to make sure a heading is editable when I click it. So we have this heading. So let me show you real quick. So we have this heading here. Let's go to the heading. And this is like a normal heading, a normal title or whatever. So there is like this super mega trick in JavaScript. You can take any element. And let's go to the console. You can take any element or the web. Let's say this one. Let's inspect it again. Yeah, this element. So we go to the console. So with $0, we get the element, right? So you can take any element and you modify content editable true or true. I think this is going to work, I guess. And then you can edit it. So you click it and then you can put whatever you want. This is me editing this, right? So we want to do this with our heading. But what we're going to do is, by the way, this is React, pure React. This is our own component library. So we have this property here, it's editable, and what I'm doing basically is, if it's editable, on click, it's going to do stuff. It's going to make the content editable. I'm using a state. So basically, it's content editable is always false until you click it. But also, when you blur, you put it false, and that's it. So let's try. I need to import this, by the way. So let's import. Oh, look this. Oh, what? Wait. No. I don't want changes here. What I did here. Okay. Oh, I was changing stuff. Bye. Have I changed something? No, it's fine. We are fine. We are. Oh. What happened here? Okay, something will happen. I'm scared. Okay, so now I have this. So it means that on click, I have this option, and then I also want on blur. And then on blur is going to be a similar thing. Create blur handler. This is the way that I usually build handlers using closures. Why is that? Because it's more easy to edit into the future. And then on blur. So we have these callbacks here, and it means that I'm going to receive now an on blur event. Look at that, our first event here, on blur. And this is going to be a function here. What is it? Yeah, this is going to be a function. Protize font is not going to be required, so we can just make it, arrow function anyway. This is a way to do it, or just use the other operator that I totally forgot. Hello, Lord Simple Try, Osobank, 10 of 01. Thanks over here. Sí, aquí por inglés, por ahora. Les prometo que en futuros streamings podrán ver mi carita, pero hoy la cámara no está funcionando. The camera is just broken. And I still don't know if it's the wire or what the fuck is with the camera. Or the camera just is going to dejar de funcionar. ¿Cómo se diría eso? Just stop working, and I might need to ask for guarantee. But I have pizza. And that solves all the problems. And to be honest, and you are going to hate me, what I was going to say in a moment, I know a pizza lover. You know why? Because it hurts my stomach. So am I able to eat pizza only if the, you know, the dough is like, is not thick, it's thin. Si es de masa delgada, puedo comer pizza. Si no, estás hecha en casa. Me causa un dolor de estómago tremendo. Okay, so let's back. So now that I have here, the only thing that I need to do is just like import these handlers that I have here in my file. There are pretty simple handlers. It's going to receive this function. I mean, is it editable? It's going to put it as true. If it's editable in blur, it's going to put it as false. And we are passing the event into blur because we want to do more stuff about that. And I'm not really sure how I want to solve that part, but let's just import this. Create click handler and create blur handler, and this is making the run import. No, wait. Yes, handlers. Yeah. Right, create handler click. Create blur handler. Oh, wait. This is really wrong. Create handler click. It's like that? No, it's not like that. Create handler check. Oh, yes, it's like that. Create handler blue. Yeah. This is like that. Sorry. Wrong. Create click handler. Handler blur. Wrong names. Don't worry. Create handler blur. Create handler click. Now we have it. Okay, so in theory, if I go here, so this is my, this is my app, the one that we are working. So we have this, and we can click the title. The title is not editable. This is kind of I can put like the desktop version of this, and basically this is kind of, a model, I don't like the dark mode. That's the dark mode, but we have dark mode here, so we can edit it. Okay, so that's nice. Oh, I need to close this and maybe this again. Oh, what is happening? How many consoles did I have? Oh, and this is my no. Okay, I need to fix this. Great. Okay, that's working perfect. So I need to go here and set that in my edit task. My heading is editable. So now that I have, said that it's editable. In theory, if I go here and I click it, oh, that was strange. I mean, it's working, right? But why? It's like if I click it. Oh, I know what I need to do, right? I make sure when I click it, I also need like kind of focus the thing. I think I need to do that. Definitely. Yes. Okay. Let's make sure that's kind of happening. So, this is going to be. I did this before, so that focus maybe. Yeah. So we need the. Oh man, this is okay. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. Perfect. Yeah, we have something here similar. Can you see here? Which component is this one, by the way? This is the add button. Okay. So we have a button. Okay, we can use it here, but basically we have this add button. We go here, we hit this add button, and this add button is like, a button that you can like edit the stuff, it's nice. Great. Okay, let's go, and if we go to the heading here, and let's go to the handlers, and then what I can do is like when I click it, yes, great. So I can pass like the heading heading ref, and basically do this similar thing here. Yes. It means that now I need to keep the reference for the heading. So I need to do this. Heading ref. If I know really, is use ref. And I also forgot totally how to use this use ref. It should work like that, right? Let me see. Hey, okay, yes, much better. For some strange reason, I can hear you on my computer, but I can in my phone. Oh, interesting. Maybe you need to change your audio settings on your computer. Refresh. Maybe you have Twitch mute. No idea. Or maybe I'm ignoring anyone that's questioning me from a computer. So, no, that's not possible. That's not possible at all. At least I don't know how to do it. But that's strange. Okay, let's continue. So, in theory, if I click now, it's not working. Maybe I using the ref wrongly. Use ref. Oh yes, definitely yes. The reference is not an array. And then wait, you also need something. You need something, right? Input ref. You need to pass as a ref, right? Somehow. Yeah. You need to say this is a ref. Yeah, definitely. So the heading ref, and then I need the ref here. Ref. This is going to be the reference. I guess it's worth it to put it here. By the way, is the input having this ref as the... Okay, after the ID. Okay, that's fair. In that parameter on Blur, you shouldn't put the function. Create parents in a root function like on Blur. Let me see. So here in the handlers, create handler Blur. Like this. Create function, create handler Blur params in a root function like on Blur. Oh no, you're right, yes. It's because this is a closure. So this, maybe it's a little bit confusing here, but this is basically like, you know, like create handler blur is a function that returns a function. That's why. So this is the first function, and this is the second function. And that's why I can use it like this, you know, like on blur. You know, I can use it like this. I can use this special, you know, closure. I can use it like this because this function is returning the second function, and then you have the event. That's why. So, and that's why this is the name, create handler create, because this is going to create the handler. It's kind of the, yeah, if it was just a handler, I will call it like, you know, handler blur, and it's a simple function. But because this is creating a handler function, so this is called create handler, and it's a function that is returning this function here. The thing is, I can name this, but yeah, basically it's that. Yeah, that makes easier to extend this kind of you know, thing to kind of handlers. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's working. No, it's not working. What is happening? You see? It's like it's not working properly. It's like I need to click twice. Wait. Yeah. If I click once. Wait. On click. Heading ref, current focus. It also feels that maybe it's a render problem, right? Damn it. I have another theory. What if, maybe I'm doing this really wrong. What if this is always true? Let's make this editable always. Right? Oh man, I think I was overthinking this. Oh, I have been overthinking this too much. I have been overthinking this too much. If you notice... Oh man. Oh, sorry. Neto. Oh man, you put a lot of caps. Sorry, you are... What did you say? usually I'm not able to. There is a way. Let me see. I don't know how to put like the moderation like mode. Never, you know. What is neto? Well, it's just 5 seconds. Okay, that's fine. So I see now. I got it. I didn't see that method. Cool. Have you got difficulty to improve your English? Right now I live in Brazil, but I want to get out of here and go to Europe or North America. Well, it has been a lot of time since I started talking. My advice, watch movies in English with English subtitles. Try to work with a bilingual team, a team where you can speak Portuguese, in your case, I guess, and English. So you can like practice your English. I guess the more difficult part is to start speaking. And usually you don't do it in your country. At least that was my case, right? In Colombia, because you don't have with who, right? Basically. I will remember unplug your Bluetooth devices. Why? I see. So was your Bluetooth the culprit? Okay, I got it now. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of thing. Okay, so I super overthink this, and it's fine. We can learn about our own mistakes, right? That's the idea. By the way, I changed the camera like this because my camera is really bad. You can see here the camera is like not working. That's the reason. Oh, I can just keep like my face there, and you will think, oh, this guy is very still. Doesn't move. That's okay. So you remember, that's me. So sometimes that's me. Okay. I wonder in which moment I'm going to freeze with a really, really weird face. To be honest, I feel confident on technical interviews. Now it's like stopped working. At technical interviews because I'm senior here in Brazil and I solve every type of problem, but I don't have international client to practice. Oh yeah, I mean, you will have to find a company. I mean, that's the honest truth. My recommendation: move to a company that let you practice English with clients that speak English. That's the way. So, or you can invest in a private teacher. So it's the best way. Like invest in yourself in English. Just make it. In some way, this is my part of my English training of every day, right? I still have to speak English every day here, but I mean not every day because I still at home we speak Spanish. But it helps me. And read books in English and everything. You need to do the immersion. That's it. Okay, so I'm just going to do a lot of changes at once because this is not needed anymore because I was super overthinking this. Super overthinking. So yeah, I'm not going to have this on click. Basically, this is editable. It's going to keep. I'm not going to have this ref. And maybe I'm just going to... how do you say? Damn it! I forgot the Spanish version. Okay, so create blur. No, this is not needed. This is not needed. This is going to be, and this is going to be. Basically, this is what I need. So if it's editable, okay, yeah, this is important. No, this is not important. This is not important at all. This is going to be. Yeah, basically, this is going to be on blur. Yeah. Oh man, I can't believe I'm super overthinking this. Like, really. Like, don't do that. Try to always, but that's fine. That's fair. Like, you can learn from your mistakes. Take advantage of the API. So now it's working. Look. Yeah, it's great. It's like working. And the only thing that we need here now is, why is this not working? What did you do? I made a great step to learn English when I started to work on a foreign company. Could be stressful the first week, but it's amazing how I learned English. Great. Do you work with JavaScript or TypeScript? It depends. It really depends. So I guess for this kind of project, we're doing JavaScript, but I'm okay with doing TypeScript. At work, I do TypeScript. It's something that is going to happen probably is we are going to migrate these whole two projects into TypeScript in the future. You know, probably after we finish the API, that's going to be the case. In fact, the API is TypeScript, as you can see. So after we finish the API project, we will back to this, and we will change this into TypeScript and the same to the web. That's going to happen, and I guess it's going to be really nice to share this, you know, migration, this JavaScript to TypeScript migration process with you. We already did dependencies update here. It was very stressful. It took a lot of time, a lot of research. Usually when you upgrade your dependencies, you know, the project breaks, and that's what happened for us. But now we have everything up to date, working nice, latest version of all our dependencies. So yeah, I'm going to do that in here in streaming. Okay. Yeah, Alex, that's a great decision. Okay, so I think we have it, right? Yeah, we definitely have it. The only thing that we need to do is kind of what? Oh, sorry. It's editable. And just like, you know, create the unblur. So, and this is going to be very interesting. So what I'm going to do here, oh, by the way, now I don't need this whole thing. Like, I just need the unblur. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Unblur. Great. That was much more simpler. I was just like getting everything, you know, super complete. What is, it's just the format. Okay. So now what we can do is the following thing, like unblur. So now we have the event here. You know, now we have the event here. And then we can like console log event dot current target dot best content. Let's see if that works, right? Because that's the thing that I need to capture. Let's open the console here. Put this console here, and yeah, it's working. Like change the title of the task, and if I blur, I get the content. So then I can send this to the, you know, to the API, and it will work, I guess. We also need to change the layout because, as you notice, for some reason when we don't have anything, it's just like center. I don't really know why, but we can do that later. Guillermo, nice lies around you. First time I have seen something like that. Which ones? Like that. Yeah, I wanted to make my space like more, and I will love to show you how it looks in behind. I mean, I can show you, but my camera is broken today, so yeah, you can see it's like not working at all. So I'm using my secondary camera, but I have some nice also paintings here. So those are my dogs, and I'm painting my cats here. This is a work in progress. This is already finished, but I paint those. And I was also looking for some wires here, so I should close this thing. But yeah, thank you so much. It's a nice way to, you know, put your environment, your office more cozy. Thanks, Alex. I really appreciate. By the way, you always can, you know, ask me questions. We have this nice Discord community. We answer any question related to coding. We don't teach to code here that much because we are focusing on product, on how to build a product, a real experience as a developer. But of course, when you know, when you ask questions like, why do you did this in this way? And I definitely will love to explain you why. And yeah, I mean, I'm glad that you are here. So, let's read Alice. So I remember my first interview with a real client in English. It was a mess. Yeah, usually the first time is always a mess. The next night I couldn't sleep and use that time to write good answer for the. Yeah, you need to practice. It's the only way to get, you know, better in any skills, right? Okay, so let's continue. So now that we have this here, by the way, there is something that we need to fix in the future. It's weird that you need to have some kind of title. What happens if I just change the title, right? So we need to solve that. That's more like user experience. Like what happens if I just change this? It's like, it's going to be empty? Maybe not. Maybe we should put like a rule, like a title can be empty or something, but we can figure out that later. Okay, so now that I have the edit task, I need to provide, right? I need to provide in the container here, I need to provide a method to edit it. So yeah, so we have use task here, we have this hook, and what we have basically done is this use task, it has all the methods related to the task. So for instance, we have this update, and with update you can pass params and it will update the task, right? So in theory we have already this method here. So if I go here, I can just like use task. I don't really remember how do we, I guess on update maybe, and then yeah, handle update task, I guess. And this is going to change as well. This shouldn't be like this, but I need to update this naming. Well, we'll do that in the future. So I will pass this task if I'm not wrong. This is kind of the way that we haven't done this, right? We have been doing this. Let me see. Let me remember. What if I let me search for, I know, task create. What is task create, by the way? Edit task, delete confirmation, edit task modal. I totally forget how is this these days. So task ID, edit task modal. Oh, those are states. Okay. Oh, the modals. Okay. Task. Task in plural. Task API. Yeah, that's the way that we do this. Okay, right. Handle. Okay, got it. So task in plural. No, but this use task. Okay, got it. Because I need. Oh wow, but this is when we use the other API, right? So use task is the individual, because we have use task and use task. It's different. Like task is like we have the query and also we have to create. But for the individual task, it's always keeping the ID. This is a little bit confusing. I wonder how can we improve this mess. Not this mess, but make sure it's like better. And maybe that this is the API, but it doesn't matter. Let's just go with, and and that will be it. So handle update tasks. I guess, yeah, it makes sense. We have delete tasks. Okay, so handle update tasks. Do we have that maybe already? Handle update. Oh, we don't have it. But I don't know. I feel like, yeah, maybe not. So if we do export cons. Oh, did I see retro methodology? Deny? Yes. Yes. This is part of a project that we did a long time ago. So those are the the mockups. And basically you start your productivity day. So this is you start like making sure you focus on your task and you take breaks. Different breaks. It's kind of Pomodoro, but different, right? And now I have like changed this. But yeah, this is what we are working right now. But let's finish this because I need this view. And now this is broken, of course. Yeah. You will see. Handle update task, and then it's going to receive task. And then here, I'm just going to call API update. What was the API? I totally forgot that. API update. Yeah. And then you receive the params. And what does the params? Oh, ID and task. Oh, really? Okay. So I need the task ID. Okay. Okay, look, this task ID. Great. That's if I wait. Params. Is this correct? Oh yeah, I guess it's going to pass all the params. Perfect. Okay. And why it needs like the because you need the ID in order to get the specific task. Perfect. So I can receive task and task ID. Maybe this should definitely be called task API, right? It's not the way as we are doing this. No, task API. Oh, because it's task API. Okay, I see. Task API. Maybe we should start like calling this task API and task API maybe, and that will make everything clear. I don't know. Something to think about it. So task ID is going to be this one. ID, task model, task ID. Maybe I should, move this task ID from edit model here. So then I can, use this, and this is going to be used here, right? And also, oh wait, an update. Interesting. Wait. So an update, and then this is going to execute, and then we need to pass somehow the callback, right? Basically, what does the handler? So okay. Yeah, as you can see, it receives the ID here. Why does receive the ID here? We are passing the ID. Oh, we are passing the data here. Okay, give me a second. How we are going to do this? So as we have on delete, we are going to receive an update, right? That's the whole deal. And for update, so we have this basically. So now we are going to have something like this. This is like a lot of modals. So handle update, and basically the handle update is going to do like a lot of stuff. And in this case, it's going to be like maybe ID on update, probably, I guess, yes. And then it's just going to manage this on update, ID and data, but in this case data, this is going to be title. I guess it's title, right? I don't really remember how is the description. Oh man, this is the whole description, damn it. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be like description. Where am I? Yes, so description, and it's going to be like this. We can do something like this. ID description update. I don't know, it does make sense. I'm not sure. Probably. Why this doesn't like it? What? ID description. I mean, this is kind of yeah, it's like ID. Oh, because this is task, right? This is when you need TypeScript. Oh yeah, TypeScript will help you with that, but it's okay. We will have TypeScript later. So here, what we can have. Okay, I'm receiving the event, right? I can. Okay, now I have it. Now I have it. Look, this is going to make sense very soon. So here we can pass the ID. It's going to be task ID, right? We want to follow the same pattern that we are using for all the others, the other things. So here and then on update, look that. So we are receiving the ID and an update on blur of what? On blur of the heading. We are passing this handler. And remember that on blur is going to, at the end, pass the event to whatever is here. So it means that here we are going to receive the event, right? And the way that we will get the description is here, like from the event. Okay, we are going to have the description is going to be equals event then current target that test content. Oh damn it, text content. So this was a lie, right? So that's it. So basically this handler here is receiving the event from this handler here, and this handler here is fine. I mean, handle update, we just need to pass an update, and an update, what is going to be an update? I mean, an update is, it shouldn't do that much. What is it? Wait. So an update, the only thing I should do, I mean, we already have the ID, so we don't need that. And we already have the data, right? Is that correct? Now I'm confused. Give me a second. On delete. Right, so you received an update is going to receive the ID and everything. An update, yeah. On delete is receiving the ID, handle delete. But this is here, right? Wait. This is edit task. Edit task modal, on delete, handle update task. What is this delete confirmation doing? I'm confused. Set task ID. Okay, and then this is kind of handle with the task. Wait. So we are returning here. We are already just like executing the on update, right? And then update. Okay, yeah. Wait. So the on update is going to receive the ID and is going to receive the task. This is basically the on update is basically the second thing here, right? So this is going to receive the ID and the task, and then we need just to call this here, ID and task. If I'm not wrong, yeah, this is not needed anymore. No, this is needed. Oh, we have no data. This is called big data. It's called this data. I'm not really sure how is this called. Use task. If we go here, oh, doesn't really matter, right? Like, well, it matters. In fact, it matters. In reality, yes. So maybe what we should do here is like should be data, and this is going to be called task data, right? So in that case, this should be called data, right? Let's see. I mean, let's see if that works. Okay. So, oh, cannot read properties undefined ready test context of right. Maybe because there is no an event. Let me see if I go here. Event handle update is on blur. Blur is definitely passing the event. I mean, always it should be an event, right? Always on blur should return an event. Yeah, it's like always there, right? On blur is always generating an event, but why it doesn't like it? Cannot read properties undefined. Reading test content. Current oh, because I have a typo. That's why. I have a typo. What is it? Here. Let's go here and let's go. Nay. Let's go. Where is it? I miss it. Here. Current target. That's why. Yeah, exactly. Jules, thank you so much. Yeah, I already checked that. Okay, something happened. That's good. What? Something very bad happened. Okay, it's fine. Let's check. En pausa X. Okay, that's fair. What happened? I'm just like deleting everything. So here, I'm just like deleting things. Oh wait, maybe I'm reusing the wrong method. What the fuck? Okay, let's go. Let's check. Let's create testing my update. Okay, and then edit this. Testing my out. Okay, so here we call task. No, we call this method. Aha, look, this is a put. Great, this is a put. Oh, why is a put? It should be a patch, right? It should be a patch. So payload task, great. What is the ID? Oh, the ID is here. Great. This should be a patch, right? Not a put, because a put is the whole thing. Why? Okay, let's change this. Use task. here, update, use mutation, update here. Why this is put? Why is not patch? And just updated the whole thing. Why? This is patch, man. I mean, this is patch. It was my mistake. Okay, let's make sure. Let's see if this is working. This is a task to test update. Okay, and if I click it here and I change it to this, oh, it's working. Look, nice. Oh, here, nice. So now I can just like, okay, that was a mistake. Great, this is working. Great. So now I finally kind of did my task. Like, oh, I totally forget that. When was the task that I, damn it, I can't. Let's start now. I can see the complete ones. I need to change this. This is the test. But where the tasks that I change? Well, I know it was something related with the title, right? Okay, so this is a test. Okay, so that's cool. Give me a second. There is something that I don't like about this whole thing, like handle update task. Yeah, we are like passing this, but how do you? This is because the modal, right? Yeah, ID, task ID, delete confirmation. Oh, it's because this is like a 2 steps theme, right? So we need another state when I want to delete this, for instance. But man, I don't know if this is the best way. Like, I'm receiving the task, that's the API. I definitely don't like that. We should put like a note here. You know, something to do, like, amen, like to do, rethink the whole use task, naming. Naming is one of the most difficult things on coding, you know that? Maybe change task to task API to be more specific. Okay, let's put that to do there so I can, you know, think about it into the future. Okay, now that we have that, we can fix the design issue maybe to make this better, because one problem that we are having here is that if I delete the whole thing, it's getting centered, and I don't really know why, to be honest. Like, I think the modals, so let's take a look to the styles of the modals. If I go to the modal here, I check the CSS. Oh, damn it. Align item center. Yeah, the whole thing is center, man. And I guess this is because it's going to be weird if it's not centered. Let me see. Wait, something is happening. Oh, this is like not working. I mean, it's working but not. Oh man, this is like, this is working but not really. What happened? This was working. This was editing, right? This is a, okay, let's check what happened. Did I screw up everything? This is a task that needs to be updated. So we take a look here. Patch. Preview. Yeah, look here. We have the ID. If I go back, why is not taking my changes? What the fuck? I mean, hey man. So this is happening. Oh no. Oh no. Hey man. Okay, so this is a patch. It says it's okay. And why is that? Oh no. Wait, why is that? What? Oh, okay. Then I know what is it. I know. If I not wrong, I'm doing this really wrong. No, it's okay. Body task. Yeah, I'm doing this really wrong. This is not like that. This is like this. The whole, yeah. My bad. Okay, great. Okay, now it should be fine. Let's take a look. Hey man, this now should be updated. Okay. Yeah, now it's working. Oof. I was scared. I thought I didn't know how to code anymore. Okay. Yeah, it's working. It's definitely working. Okay, great. Okay, so the design thing. So I mean, yeah, this definitely shouldn't be like, you know, centered. And if we have this thing here, I guess it's okay. Yeah, let me see. Do we have we don't have classes for the model, so we need like maybe somehow what I can do is maybe have this is centered option. You know, it's kind of the way that we have handled our APIs is centered. And then, you know, I can do like this centered, like this, you know. And then, yeah, you know that. It's the similar thing here, right? It's centered, okay. So by default, modal is centered, is going to be true. Is what we have already. This a bool, right? And then here is center is going to be false. True. And then what I can have is like by default this doesn't exist in reality, but if we have, oh wait, this is the backdrop. Name the model. Okay, wait, I'm missing something here. So yeah, column. Oh wait, no, wait, what is like really centering stuff here? Container, backdrop, container. What? So we have this modal backdrop, so this is not really what we want. Is the container. Oh, okay, this is the container. Okay, but this is cool because we have stuff for container, right? Oh, so container. Okay, and how is the container working right now? Oh, okay. Oh man. Okay. So container, right? So container is going to have this thing. Oh no, not this thing. Of course, it's going to have a center. This is the API that we handle in this project. You don't have to do it like that. You know, you can decide, but this is how we basically build this project. So it's going to have a center, and then we have a centered content. Why? It's center, and then you will have this, right? It's centered, and then by default, this guy is going to be size pool. I'm not really convinced about this, but let's just keep it today here, and I will give it a thought later. So modal, and I'm just going to set is center false, Oh, no false. Oh, damn. Maybe modal needs that as well. Yeah, I guess. Center. Do I wonder if modal should be center at all? Like, what happens if I delete this? This should be center? I mean, not really, right? I feel like everything could be test aligned. So I think all models can be just handled like not centered at all. That's kind of my thought. Right? Let's just remove this. Okay, let's see. Okay, this task is screwed now. I don't know why it lost the... Oh, what? Wait. Something is not working. Okay, delete. Let's create. This is a new task to test. Okay. Need to add it. Okay. So yeah, now we are talking. Now it's like left center. That's much better, right? This is a new task that we just edit with the left content. Great. Now we can edit tasks. Now this is amazing. Right now, let me just review what are our changes. We also need to, you know, change stuff here. Oh, but wait. Yes, we have two changes in both projects. Okay, that's okay. Future. Oh, wait. Git stash. Are we already in this branch? Really? Git stash pop. Really? Let me see. Let me see. Probably I haven't merged this at all, right? I don't really remember. Pull request. Name of the branch. Oh man, GitHub is like, I don't know. Oh yeah. We are still in this branch. Oh, that's okay. Nice. But the other one, it needs changes. So let's see the components. So we basically, let me close everything and let me explore this. Yeah, great. So yeah, we create this handler. That's okay. We should. Do you want to write test? Do you want to see how do we do unit test? It's pretty simple, by the way. So yeah, we have this heading, and basically we make sure if it's editable, and we pass on blur. And what we do is, okay, on blur, right? On blur, we just, you know, pass the event. And if it's editable, we set the content is editable. That's great. And the modal now, it receives the modal now is container is center false. And the container by default is center, but we have the possibility to remove that, right? And then, yeah, you have like, yeah, you have this. That's weird, but I guess we need do we need yeah, we need container was a center content. That's kind of our first approach. Okay, that's cool. And then the task. No, let's go to the task. So now we update the update method. It was really bad written. It was a put and it was like this, and that's not okay. And then we edit this handler, but we need to rethink this because I'm not really convinced about the way that this is like written, but that's okay. And then in the modal, I definitely like this one. We are taking the description from the on blur of the heading, basically. So on blur is going to return at the end event, right? And based on that, yeah, we are just taking that event, taking the description, it's from the test content, passing this on the update. It has the ID and the data, right? Similar as we did it with here. What it means is that basically, yeah, that will execute. We just need to pass the ID, right, here. That's what we are doing here. So basically here, the handle update task. What is the handler, by the way? yes, here. So wait, I'm confused again. Why am I so confused about this? On update. Okay, no, we need to pass an update. Exactly. So an update is what is going to, receive the ID and the data. And in this case, an update here, yes, it's a function that now is receiving the task, but then later is going to receive the ID and the data. So then we call task, API, data, and that's it. I don't know, it feels maybe we could change this in a better way, probably. But it's kind of the same API, right? We are, of course, taking sometimes the task ID from other parts because we have multiple dialogues here. But yeah, that's fair. So I guess we can commit those changes. So let me, yes, here. So let me just yarn commit. And this is going to be a future, and this is going to be for the heading and other changes, but make heading editable, right? And this is going to run yarn and all the stuff that we have for our best developer experience. And we can push that. Oh, and I need to add my, let's push it. And let's have a pull request open. Let's create this pull request. So we can have our continuous integration environment run all the the checks here. We have a few checks. We have unit tests. We have visual tests. So this is going to be nice. Of course, we are missing writing some stories. Some. I mean, to be fair, we need to write some stories here. But yeah, I mean, it's fine for today. And I think that's it for today. I mean, I still can have one more hour here, but I think I'm just going to finish my pizza and then maybe read something, probably. And then I have a call. And then I guess I will see you tomorrow. Definitely. And I will try to fix my camera tomorrow because, oh man, I don't really know what is happening with my camera. Let's see if we can rate someone. Let's see who we can rate. Oh, Midudeb is here, but the prime agent. Oh, have you seen this guy? This guy is awesome. Let's write this guy. I'm trying to do more networking with the English speaking community. You should check it. Yesterday I saw a video where he was kind of prime agent. I think it's like that, right? The prime agent. Let's see if that works. Yeah, definitely. So thank you so much to be here. Tomorrow we will continue doing stuff. And I will let you know when, we start making a new project. I really want to try create a game with you, maybe a really small game, full JavaScript, no frameworks at all, just for fun. By the way, I'm done with the recording of the first module on YouTube. It will be free courses regarding this whole thing that I've been doing. I just need to finish the edition of those videos. But we're almost done with that. And this Saturday we have, I'm going to be in Nerdearla. ¿Conocen Nerdearla? Voy a dar una charla en Nerdearla. Es el sábado. Si no conocen Nerdearla, vayan a nerdearla.com, creo que es. Si no es mal. Y cualquier cosa, nos vemos mañana. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's